Hi everyone, it's ASKA here. In today's video, I'm showing you how to do super quick nails in just 10 minutes, even on a busy morning. You know those days when you suddenly remember you have an event and totally forgot to do your nails, or when you only have 10 minutes before heading out the door. That's when nail wraps can save you. You can even do your nails during a short break or on the go. I'll also show you how to apply them quickly and make them last longer, so stick around till the end. We're only using 2 items today: stick-on nail wraps, an alcohol wipe. There are tons of different nail wraps available, but for this video, I'm using the type that you just stick on, perfect for when you're in a rush. Most of them come in a clear plastic sleeve and often include a small nail file. Make sure your alcohol wipe contains ethanol for proper prep. With just these 2 items, you can get your nails done in no time, even during a hectic morning. Okay, let's start the timer and do this in real time. 10 minutes on the clock. First, wipe your nails with the alcohol sheet. This step is super important. If there's oil or dust on your nails, the wraps won't stick well and will peel off quickly. So make sure to clean them thoroughly, let them dry, and then apply the wraps. Next, find the right size wrap for each nail. Hold the whole sheet over your nail and choose one that's slightly smaller than your nail, not exactly the same size. Instead of choosing a size that fits your nail exactly, go for one that's slightly smaller. It's less likely to peel at the edges and lasts longer. Once you've found the right size, it's time to apply it. Here's the trick. Leave a tiny gap at the base of your nail and only hold the wrap by the tip. Avoid touching the sticky side too much, or the oils from your fingers will make it less adhesive. Stick the base of the wrap onto your nail, then gently stretch and press it down toward the tip. Use your fingertip to press out any air bubbles from the center outward. This little extra effort makes a big difference. It'll look so much cleaner and more professional. Now fold any excess wrap over the edge of your nail. This helps when you file it later to get a clean finish. Then, grab the mini nail file and gently file off the extra wrap. Always file in a downward motion. Never back and forth. Follow the curve of your nail and change the angle slightly as you go. The extra piece should come off easily, and your nail will look clean and well-shaped. The key is to finish one hand at a time, not both at once. If you rush and try to do both at once, the wraps can shift or lose their stickiness. Taking your time with one hand at a time is the best way to go, especially if you're trying to be quick and get good results. And that's it. Both hands are done. We finished in 10 minutes. Here's a quick recap of the key tips. 1. Wipe and dry your nails with an ethanol wipe. 2. Avoid touching the sticky side of the wraps. 3. Work on one hand at a time. Just following those 3 things will make your nail wraps look clean, last longer, and go on fast. Whether it's the morning of a big event, a last-minute outing, or just a small break in your day, this method works anytime. Nail wraps are perfect for busy days when you still want cute nails with no mess. Give it a try and see how easy and fun it can be. Thank you for watching. If this video was helpful to you, please hit the like button. And if you'd like to see more video like this, please subscribe to my channel. See you soon. Bye.